among the greatest fast bowlers and all-rounders India has ever produced. Yet, Kapil Dev is much more than his astounding tally of runs and wickets. He led India to the 1983 Cricket World Cup, one of its most definitive moments in sporting history. Hello and welcome to the season finale of Forbes India from the Field. In today's episode, one of India's most iconic athletes shares his lessons on leadership, leading by example and dealing with its pressures and expectations.
I lead the team? No, it was a team. It's not me. Individual, maybe the captain, but everybody have to be part of that. If captain believe he can do it, it's not possible. When the team start believing they can do it, it's possible. Captain can only show the route, but end of the day, I always believe it's the team. When team believes they can do it, everything is possible. As science says, which I don't say, he said if you are 70% burned and you have a will to live, you will not die. Even 70% burn. And if you are 30% burn and you have no will to live, you will die. And that's how we played the sports. Will to win, will to play, and be positive. First of all, you understand there can be 100 different people from different walk of life comes. Doesn't matter. But what is the ultimate aim is? The aim is to win. It doesn't matter they speak same language or not, they can have same mindset or not, but the final aim is how to reach on top. If every individual believe that, then there is no difference in thinking. So I believe that, yes, we come from a different walk of life. We were totally different people, and some of the people couldn't speak English, some of the people couldn't speak Hindi, but the aim was one, to win every match. And I think in the end, it's always important is, what is your goal? Don't forget the goal. And it's not when you reach on the top of the 10th floor, don't bother. You take a staircase, you take a lift, or take a parachute, whatever way you want to reach. But the aim of everybody should be the same, to reach on top. My job was to keep my team happy. When it's a happiness, the result is much more positive. And don't give them stress. This is a new word coming in this world. Stress. While playing, it should be pleasure and pleasure. No stress. If there is a stress, don't play. In fun, you can't take stress. When you're playing for Olympics, going for Olympics, it should be fun. I want to win. It's not a pressure. It should be pleasure. You have to do best to your ability, not what you are expecting from me. What you're talking to me is fine, but what is my expectation is what I can do. I think don't have the false expectation from yourself. You have to work hard to be improving yourself, and that is the expectation. But if you say whole world is looking, no. When you're performing, don't bother who's looking, bother what you are doing. We often say that the whole country is watching, whole country. No, man. If your mind goes towards the people, your performance will come down. Your focus is very important. At the moment, my focus is looking at you, talking to you. That's it. If I start thinking I got 2 hours later, I got this work, my performance won't be there. So we say, focus yourself, narrow beam as much as you can. Your result will be better. Don't start thinking what is going to happen tomorrow. Think what you can do it right now. At this stage, if I'm a sportsman, I have to work hard for the betterment for tomorrow. But I have to work hard today, right now. Nobody is born with. You, over the period of time, situations, circumstances, everything can lead up to that. Some people are very good writer. Some people are very good speaker. So it's depend how good you are. And even you best speaker, you have to improve yourself. And good leader is who can understand other people's pain also, pain of your team. If you look after that, you become a leader. It's not leader or CEO of the company. I want performance, performance, performance. No, what you can give back to your team to make them comfortable, give a better environment, give a happiness. Every day is not a Monday. They have to be Saturday, they have to be Sunday. So you have to deal with everybody in a manner where you can bring a smile on people's face. I think it's a very tricky situation. Certain sports, you have to perform yourself also. You have to look at the team performance also. When you become a captain, when I'm batting, it's not my job to start thinking every ball what my team require. My requirement is to be there to give the best performance. When you're outside, then you start planning. That's very, very important. As somebody said to me, wise people in this world, he said, if you want to be successful, keep your eyes and ears while sleeping also. That means awareness, what's happening around you, is the leader. The leader can't say, I'll hold my eyes, I can't. No, you have to see everything when you're not even there. Try to visualize. And that's become the leader. Again, somebody said to me, he said, keep your eyes and ear open. What does that mean? When you are not captain, start looking how this captain is behaving. When I'll grow, if I become a captain, I won't do this. I will do this. This make a team better. So you have to open your mind and start learning. If somebody says, I know everything, I don't believe that. So captaincy is, or leadership is like that. Look at the other people. Who are people doing better? Good work. Try to take that. There's somebody who's not doing well, leave them. Say, I won't do. So you train yourself over the period of time. I like to be like this, or I don't like to be like this. It's entirely in your hand, not in somebody's hand. Happiness is within yourself. When people like you talk about that World Cup, yes, the memories come back, but I don't want to live on that. I want to move on in life. If the people don't move on in life, the growth will be stopped. And I said, I don't want to remember too much. Yes, when you're talking to me, I can relate, I can start thinking, you bring smile on my face. Yes, we achieved that. But I don't want to live only with that victory or winning the World Cup. Move on in life, man. Go ahead. Don't look back. Look after my team. That's the only thing. Look after. Not what they can give me. What I can give them, add into their life and make them better. That's all. My aim is that I want to look after my team, and I want to be part of same happy team what we were in '83.